Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Torogi Pro. And today, I am very excited to show you this Dream Machine Pro by Ubiquiti Networks. And I got to tell you guys, this beast is an all-in-one enterprise-grade networking solution. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this one so that I can share it with you guys. Alright guys, here you go guys, ta-da! It's a brand new UniFi Dream Machine Pro. Okay, hula. Well, the first thing that catches your eye here is the sleek design of this UDM-Pro, right? And this is a one new rack mountable form factor, so you can really just go ahead and mount this one into your network rack. Now, as you can see, it comes with the mountable here, so you can mount it like that. Okay, so you can see this one later on if we are going to install this one, or probably on a next video. Also has 8 gigabit Ethernet ports and two 10 gigabit SFP ports, which means that's very lightning fast connectivity. And this is also a 1.3 touchscreen that provides a real-time overview of your network performance. Later on, I can show you that one when we are going to do the initial configuration of this device. Well, in terms of the technical specifications of this UDM-Pro, it is powered by a quad-core ARM Cortex-A57 at 1.7 gigahertz. At the same time, it has a 4 gigabytes of RAM DDR4, so basically it's pretty good. This also comes with a feature like redundant WAN failover, so basically if you have a multiple WAN link, you can use the other one as a failover. And of course, it is not just a router. It has also firewall capability. It has a signature-based intrusion prevention detection and intrusion detection systems. So you get fortified to the online world, right? Now let's go ahead and start the initial configurations of this so that we can see some of the things that we can do, right? Jump in. All right, so I powered on the UniFi Dream Machine Pro. As you can see, it's powering up there. There's a progress bar here until probably it reaches that 100% there. So what I'm going to do is plug a uplink here so that we can start the configuration, and then plug this one to my computer as well. So I have, I'll show you my network rack here. It's a little bit dark, but I think that's okay. I'm going to plug this one. I'll plug it to one of the ports here. There you go. I'm back here. It's prompting me to plug in the Ethernet cable. As you can see, I have it here. This will be sort of temporary right now so that we can configure this. This is coming from my uplink. Let's plug it there. You should lit up, bro. Hey, come on. Show me some lights. I don't know if... Oh, there you go. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is plug this one to my... one of these ports goes to my computer as well. So... here, so I'm going to plug this one. It's lighting already. Then here, it's lighting. I have to plugs here the computer in the uplink, all right? So, jump into my computer. Go ahead, check this one out, Ethernet port. And then down here, this is our IP address. We are on DHCP, so we should be able to connect to this one, 192.168.0.1. So I'm going to open a browser, 192.168.0.1. All right, so there you go. We have the UniFi here. Ha! Nice animation. So I'm going to set up the, take note of this one. We have 192.168.0.1. Take note of this. We are going to set up the UDM-Pro, right? So go ahead. And of course, we have to agree. Okay, next. Then we have sign in to ui.com. Yeah. That was... Let's log in. Basically, I have already an account, so No backup files found. We just go ahead and continue. Update schedule. So yeah, that's good. Daily. 3 a.m. is good enough. Configuration, basic configuration for your console, setup diagnostic. So anyways, we can just go ahead and review these ones later. So I'm not going to turn it on. Starting speed test. Let's try to see. Here at home, I'm using the, what's this? Starlink. So probably, yeah, we're about 90. Yeah. Okay, 90. Upload speed. Yeah, you can see this basic Starlink server in the Philippines. All right. I basically can configure this one here and bring it to work, and then, yep. Okay, that's okay for us. Come on, that's okay. Let's go ahead next. Setting up your console. Basically, I already have internet. Pretty cool. So let's just go ahead and say like Google. Yep, we have. Let's try Torogi Pro. Torogi Pro. Who is Torogi Pro? There you go. So estimated 5 minutes. So basically, this is what we see right now, okay? There's nothing much we can do since there's nothing connected yet to my UDM-Pro, but you can go to this upper right corner here, and then you have the menu. You go for the network, and this will show me, you see what's happening within my network right now. And you can see I'm only one client, right? As soon as we add more devices here, you can see a very good detailed information about what's happening in the network. Basically, it gives you a very good information here. I'm basically doing Facebook because it's only me, all right? It's only me, and you can see the traffic that's coming in and out. At the same time, these are the one port information here that you can see, and that's the gateway IP, what's currently happening. Very informational. And of course, this is my PC that is connected, T-Pro Studio, 100%. And you will have more pages here where the connections are categorized if it's wired, wireless, or guest. Then what else do we have here? The topology, you can see it right now. My UDM-Pro is straight up going to that PC that I'm currently recording on, okay? And more information about these devices. You can see it here. I'm using a gigabit network going straight up to this one. Well, UniFi devices, I don't have anything yet. I'll be showing you that one as soon as we deploy a lot of devices, all right? So basically what I've showed you here is how you can go ahead and do the initial configurations with this Dream Machine Pro. At the same time, kind of show you the physical view and what's inside, what is the technical specification of this UDM-Pro. So I hope I'm going to see you in my next video, so we can share you the updates that we're going to do on our network later on, all right? So that's it, guys. We'll be adding more network devices later on. I'm going to show you when we deploy this one on our institution and possibly give you more insights about using the UDM-Pro. See ya, guys.